Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Flight of Fancy, and this is a sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Flight of Fancy, and we're going to be using this little angel-looking fairy, and Itty Bitty Christmas. We're going to be using Celebrate the Season. We'll start with our stamping. I have 2 pieces of Whisper White. And I'm going to come in with my Night of Navy. And I have our little angel fairy mounted on clear block E. All right, and then for the smaller piece, I have Celebrate the Season mounted on clear block G. All right, that's all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I have my magnetic plate. And then I have the layering ovals. And then I have a piece of Night of Navy that is layered as well. And then from the stitched rectangles, I have the smallest one. So we will run this through. And this was a sketch challenge on our team Facebook page, so wanted to make sure I got that done. I have a foil sheet, copper foil sheet, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then from the Brightly Gleaming, I believe, I have these, they are cut at 1/2 inch by 4. So we're just going to put those down. And I have my silicone sheet. And my Stampin' Seal. Whoa, that one got away from me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to butt it up with my fingernail. And then just press those down. And I'm going to do every other, because I have stars and then these other different kind of stars. And they don't have to be perfectly lined up as far as, you know, how the width between them. But 6 do fit comfortably on there. That one looks a little short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer, and I'm just going to trim off scoosh. And everything looks lined up on this side. So now let's put this card together. I'm going to put some more adhesive on the back side of this. And then our card base is Night of Navy. And it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. All right, and then I'm going to rub it down from the back. Make sure that it's good and pressed. So that's what we have. I'm going to get my Stampin' Dimensionals. Actually, I'm going to put the back on this. Make sure to subscribe to my newsletter to make sure that you get the new catalog that is coming out for January. We'll be able to order them at the end of this month or next, at the beginning of next. So make sure that you sign up for my newsletter so that you will ensure that you have that coming to you. You can just go to sheilastamps.net. And if you are already on my newsletter list, then you will be receiving one. And I'm just going to put that right here. And then I'm going to come in with, I think it was 3 that I used. And I usually add an embellishment, but I think with the copper foil sheet, we don't really need any embellishments. It matches the paper very well. All right, so just like that, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!